Welcome guys, what's up? I'm Steven. So I need to talk about something that's been driving me crazy. I've been going through YouTube for weeks now trying to find honest recommendations for no KYC crypto swap platforms. And the more videos I watched, the more skeptical I became. Because honestly, most of them are just promoting complete garbage. Scam platforms that look professional but are basically exit scams waiting to happen. Or these sketchy dexes where people's funds just disappear. It got to the point where I stopped trusting any recommendation I saw online. But then about 3 months ago, I came across alfavault, and I'm going to be straight with you. This is pretty much the only platform I actually trust right now, like genuinely trust with my own crypto. Not because they're paying me, they're not, but because I've been hammering this thing with transactions for 3 months, and it's never let me down once. Okay, so I'm opening the Safari browser and typing alfavault.io. And there we go. The experience has been consistently clean. No random fees showing up out of nowhere, none of that scam stuff you see with other apps. So for this demo, let's go with 270 USDT to Solana. So first thing, I got to select my tokens. Okay, USDT on this side. Scrolling through, there it is. And SOL on the receiving end. Tap that. And yeah, exchange rate appears, and it's not bad at all. I actually checked this against a few other platforms earlier, and this rate's competitive. Okay, next, my destination wallet address goes here. And seriously, this is where you need to be super careful. So switching tabs, pulling up my wallet here, grabbing the address, copying it, pasting. Good. Okay, now the terms screen pops up, scrolling. Quick check, 270 USDT outgoing, rate looks right, wallet address is correct, we're good. So I'm hitting create order, and there it is, order's active. So now it's generating my unique deposit address. There it is. I can either copy this manually or, picks up phone, I'll just scan this QR code with my phone wallet. Easier that way. Entering the amount and sending. Transactions broadcasting, waiting for confirmation. Back to alfavault and pressing I've sent the payment button. Done. And now I just wait. It usually takes about 5 minutes, sometimes less. Also, there's this progress bar following it. So while this processes, when you're dealing with crypto, you need a platform you can rely on during critical moments. Like if some token you're holding suddenly dumps 30% and you need to cut your losses by swapping to stablecoins, you can't afford to be fighting with a slow platform or wondering if your transaction's actually going to go through. You need something that just works. Also, here's another practical point. Speed matters way more than people think. Markets move fast, really fast. If you see an opportunity and you need to reposition your portfolio, waiting 15 or 20 minutes for a swap to complete can mean missing the move entirely. Having instant execution means you can actually capitalize on opportunities when they appear. So yeah, link's going to be in the description and pinned in the comments. Try it out, let me know what you think. Appreciate you guys watching.